everybody, welcome aboard. My name is Celeste, and we are captain and storyteller today. Please remain seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs in touch at all times, and hair as much over your children as you don't want to have any unexpected turns in our voyage. And away we go. Sometimes travel can change the world if you again a rabbit hole and take you up. But in this case, we're traveling to the Johnson Lodge around the whale around Pinocchio. And don't worry, everybody, I know this can seem a little menacing, but we're actually entering the enchanting world of Storybook Land. And all stories here said once upon a time, our very first stories of life, Three Little Pigs. And we turn our page to the left is the home of our big bad wolf. On the right is the home of the three little pigs. One house is made of hay, one house is made of sticks, and one house is made of guaranteed wolf-proof bricks. Just around the bend, here on our left are Alice in the Wonderland. The story of a young girl on a golden day who chased the white rabbit down the rabbit hole and fell down, down, down into Wonderland. Everything and all became curiouser and curiouser. So with that, our cup of tea, we turn our page to the right. Here we have our London Park, the story of Peter Pan took his friends, John, Wendy, and Michael Darling, all to Neverland, all of course with the help of his friend Tinkerbell and Pixie Dust, to a land where they would never ever grow up. And with one jump, here we are in Agrabah, the story of a string that Aladdin fell in love with a princess named Jasmine, and with the help of his friend Genie and his magic, and now living happily in the Sultan's palace with his friends Abu and Raja. Love at Disneyland is always blooming, but just the flowers on the earth way above us. The Lord for one's alive, and Jasmine soars through over, sideways, and under on a magic carpet ride. Now we're entering into the Cave of Wonders. It says only a diamond and a rock may enter. It also says it was a magic lamp that can create three wishes. So let's make a wish and see a middle come true. Then we turn our page to the right. We have our Snow White cottage which ran away from the evil queen and is now living happily with left 7 little boys. You can hear them whistle while they work. And we turn our page to the left, we have our Blue Roof Chateau, where Cinderella lives the evil stepsister and mother, but of course with the help of a glass slip, our little mice friend, she's now living happily with her Prince Charming upon that hill. You still see her carriage coming down, turning into a pumpkin.
Yeah, that's a carrot, Cinderella's carrot.
You notice a lot of plants and flowers here in Storybook Land are quite small and tiny. And that's all thanks for Tinkerbell and her little fairy friends. They take care of all the agriculture here in Storybook Land Park, keeping the plants and all young and fresh. Except for them, so that can continue on growing.
Yeah? Tangles, yeah, like that.
Here we have Rapunzel. However, all she wanted was to see the floating lights on her birthday. And with the help of her friend Good Rider and their daring journey together, they had the best day ever. If you look closely, you might be able to see a few of those wanted posters along the way. Oh, they just can't get it so right.
And then she draws
We continue on with our journey. We have our Windows of Willows, our story of Toad Hall, the Mr. Toad. Dolly and Ratty often go on wild adventures together. But sorry everybody, Mr. Toad is in right now. Stop too? Nowhere in particular. Now we're traveling through Arendelle, the story of Elsa and Anna. Two sisters love for each other was so strong that Ricardo was so strong. In the end, they asked each other if you wanted to swim in. Of course, you can still see Elsa's castle. Straight ahead is a little workshop where you wish upon a star and ask for a touch to become a real boy, giving us our little Pinocchio. And folks, if you little gift helping us get more tours here in our lives are open. Playhouse is currently having a big summer blowout. And And here we have our little mermaid left to roam on land down to the sea to become a part of our world. And that, everybody, is the final part of our journey to Storybook Land. Thank you all so much for coming along. Please remain seated with your hands, arms, and fingers. And something at all times, and please wait till my count of 3. We can all sit together for a balance and not go under the sea with Ursula. Thank you.
Thank you.